Boy, I tell you what, scammers just find any way to get you, don't they?
And they seem like they're always one step ahead of the consumer. But, you know, already a loud morning for some folks. A round of showers and storms moving through parts of the region early this morning. No severe weather, but it was producing some really heavy rainfall, quite a bit of thunder and lightning. Most of that moving out of southern Illinois, starting to make its way over towards central Kentucky. Live view from Carbondale. And use a little caution this morning. We still got some wet roads out there. Temperature down to 70. Dew points are still running high. That's a sign that the cold front has not quite made it here. It will arrive later on this morning. Winds are also still out of the south, but some big changes on the way. Cold front brings a chance for some showers and storms through the day today. A chance for an isolated strong storm or two. Once the front moves through, though, and the rain clears out this evening, some great weather in store for us Tuesday and Wednesday. We're talking sunny skies, temperatures running 10 degrees or so below average for this time of year, and the humidity is going to take a big step back for a few days. Enjoy it, because by the end of the week, well, the warm, humid air returns, and so does the chances for more showers and storms. This morning again, much of southeast Missouri, southern Illinois dry right now. We have been tracking one little batch of storms still hanging around in parts of our viewing area. This is moving out of Crittenden County in western Kentucky, and it just pushed through the Marion area there. Quite a bit of heavy rainfall and some thunder and lightning. That will continue to push away from our region. Cold front still to our north and west, and another round of some showers and storms back into southwest Missouri, parts of southeastern Kansas. Those will start to push this way. So we're not done with the rain quite yet. Temperatures right now, well, with the rain, have dropped back in the lower 70s across much of our area. But look at the 50s showing up out across the upper Midwest and back into the plains. That's what we're expecting around here by this time tomorrow. So some big changes on the way throughout the day today. All right, so showers, some thunderstorms possible. It does appear the best chance for maybe any stronger storms and the heaviest rain is likely going to be along and ahead of this cold front as we move into the early part of the afternoon hours. By that point, we do expect that cold front to be generally through southern Illinois and through a good part of southeast Missouri, but showers and thunderstorms still linger around even behind the front through the early part of the evening hours, and everything starts to clear out through the overnight hours tonight. And by tomorrow morning, waking up temperatures into the lower 50s, and sunny skies return Tuesday. Temperatures mid to upper 70s for highs with winds out of the north. There's the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today, located mainly into western Kentucky, the Missouri Boot Heel area, level 1. And the main threat with any of these storms is likely going to be maybe an isolated strong wind gust or two and some pretty heavy rainfall, especially in some of our southern counties. Notice the big range in rain expected here across southern Illinois, expecting a tenth of an inch, maybe 2/10 of an inch of rainfall. However, we could see some areas that pick up more than an inch with some of those storms that track through western Kentucky and the Missouri Boot Heel. So I know if you were in southern Illinois, maybe hoping for a lot of rain, probably not going to be the case here with this system. However, 77 on Tuesday, 82 on Wednesday, both days looking very nice for this time of year. Chances for showers and storms once again ramping up towards the end of the week. Scattered showers, scattered storms, a good possibility Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and it may even continue into much of next week. So enjoy Tuesday, enjoy Wednesday. We're talking cool temperatures, low humidity, and some sunshine. That combination doesn't really make its way around here very often this time of year.
I'm okay with it, though. Thank you, Nick.